toss has opted to bat first. The opening batters are heading out. Here comes the openers, walking out to the crease. They'll be looking to lay a solid foundation for their team. Pressure on the batter. That's a dot ball. No runs. Should get a couple of runs here. It's a good throw in the end. Good running there. They've managed to get 3 runs off that shot. The right-hander on strike. That's enormous. Right up into the top tier. But look at that bat swing. Full extension, perfect balance, and the ball is out of here. Got to be careful here, the bowler. This can end up being a big one. Oh, that's a really good shot. Fabulous shot down the ground. No chance for the fielder inside the circle. Just look at the timing on that shot. He barely seemed to hit it. It sailed over the ropes. That's gone miles high. Handsome and into the crowd. Oh, he got the elevation just right. It's gone high and long, right out of the middle of the bat. What a shot. Gets to the pitch of the ball. Good extension of the bat. Uses his long levers. Oh, that's as clean a strike as you'll ever see. Right off the middle of the bat. And it's gone all the way. This batter is in a league of his own. Unstoppable. Pressure on the batter. Yes. What's making the bowler think? What is he planning to do now? That's great adjustment. Good footwork. Just look at the replay. It's all in the timing. The ball rockets off the bat and it finds the ropes. Tremendous shot, that one. Full extension of the arms, perfect balance, and the ball does the rest. Nice change his angle coming over the wicket. Oh, would be disappointed with that. It's a good throw in the end. That's good running. That's the end of the over. Spinner's top of his mark. Watch for some sharp turn. That's gone miles high. Handsome and into the crowd. He read the ball so early. He knew exactly where it was going and sent it backing for 6. Nicely played off the back foot. Has found the gap. All the way to the boundary. Again to the fielder. It's a good throw in the end. That's a monster hit. Miles over the ropes. that looked effortless. The replay showed just how perfectly he connected with the ball. That's a well-deserved 50-run partnership between these two. Great determination shown. That's good running. A couple of runs. And looks like a really good shot, and yes it is. Look at that backswing. Full extension, perfect balance, and the ball is out of here. That's enormous. Right up into the top tier. This is maximum impact. His timing and power make it look so easy, but that's a tough shot to execute. It's a dot ball, no runs. Classic cover drive. Finds the gap perfectly and adds 4 to the tally. Full extension of the arms, perfect balance, and the ball does the rest. Massive movement. That's a big wicket. That's good bowling. He doesn't follow the batter. Right hand on strike. Struggling a little bit here. Needs a partnership. And a bit of a hole. The team needs to get them out. These two. Speaking of bowler thing. Change of angle coming back over the wicket. Would be disappointed with that. Let's go through at the end. That's good running. End of the over. The bowlers are rotating ends now. It's going to be the seamer now. Pressure on the batter. Change of angle from the bowler. On the wicket now. Mayhew picked the spot and it's all the way. Look at that backswing. Full extension, perfect balance, and the ball is out of here. Makes room. That's a good shot. Has he found the gap? Yes, he has. Just look at the replay. It's all in the timing. Ball rockets off the bat and finds the ropes. Oh, would be disappointed with that. It's a good throw in the end. That's gone miles high, handsome and into the crowd. And the replay shows how quickly he picked it in. He rocked back and launched it into the stands. Should get a couple of runs here. It's a good throw in the end. Watch for some sharp turn. That's enormous. Right up into the top tier. That's pure power. The replay shows how he absolutely middled, sending it miles into the stands. Looks like a really good shot, and yes, it is. What a crowd pleaser. You can see from the replay how cleanly he struck that straight into the stands.